Hey guys, so welcome back to Weight Loss Monday. Today is week 10 of Weight Loss Monday, so I actually skipped week 9. I believe that's what the lineup is. I skipped week 9. I know I'm always in Emmy's room. Literally, her room has the best filming lighting. That's why I used to have it as a makeup room. The best filming lighting of the day, or of the entire house. Anywho, I skipped week 9 just because the week was crazy. It was spring break, and Monday, when I would have done Weight Loss Monday, we went to Six Flags. We took the girls and Macy, which is my best friend's daughter, to Six Flags. And then what did we do Tuesday? What did we do Tuesday? Oh, Tuesday and Wednesday we were in Canyon Lake and Green, Texas. We got back Thursday, so I could have done it Thursday, but I don't know what happened. I worked Friday at the hospital. Saturday I worked all day at H&R Block, and yesterday I was dead in my bed is what it felt like. I had the worst stomach bug for like 24 hours. It was awful. So yeah, that's just kind of how the week went. It went by super quick and I just didn't get a chance to film it. But I did come on here to talk about week 9, and I technically did not weigh in for today because I'm switching Weight Loss Monday to Weight Loss Friday. So first let's talk about week 9 and then we'll get into the switching. So week 9 was last Monday. I don't even remember what the date was. Maybe the 12th, 13th, maybe the 12th. I don't know. It was a great week. I lost 1.1 pounds. I weighed in at 282.4, I believe, and I think it was officially 27 pounds down. I'll have to check my MyFitnessPal and I'll annotate it here, but it was 1.1 pounds for sure. At least I'm pretty sure. And like I said, 282.4 and 27 pounds down, which is amazing, amazing. I still have yet to take my measurements inch-wise, but I can definitely continue to see in my clothes things. In fact, I was wearing a tank top in Canyon Lake that the straps just continued to fall off of me. The shirt itself was okay. It was kind of baggy, but I like it like that. But the straps, just I could not get them to stay up. So that's definitely awesome. My jeans, I'm starting to tell even my 22s when I put them on, which I just bought 2 new pairs of 22s in December that I haven't even worn yet, but it is what it is. It's fine. The waist, I'm losing more weight in my waist than I am in my thighs, which just tells me I need to go work out because my jeans are slipping from my waist, but my thighs are holding them up. So I'm constantly doing one of these numbers all day to try and get them to stay up on my hips and my waist, but the thighs are still not tight, but they fit fine. So I do need to get myself into the gym. I do, and I just cannot find the motivation to go. It's like every week I'm continuing to lose, and so I'm like, oh, why go to the gym just yet? Even though I know I'm going to be kicking myself because I'm going to have extra loose skin and not lose as many inches as I could have, or whatever the case may be. I don't know. So anyway, I did lose weight last week and I was ecstatic, and the more that I thought about it, the more I was like, you know what, I probably shouldn't weigh in on Monday. It's a good and a bad thing. I always feel like the weekend, because I do weigh in on Mondays, it is a deterrent from me doing things over the weekend, because it is so difficult for me to go out somewhere and not make a healthy choice, but to count everything. You know, even if you go to a restaurant and you have a piece of chicken, they may cook with oil or something that you're not counting on. Same thing in your salad. It's not portion controlled like it is at home. So I still have made healthy decisions on the weekends. Maybe I've had a slice or 2 of pizza here and there, but I still make healthy decisions for the most part over the weekend. And Sunday I feel like is my complete eat very lean, have a protein shake for dinner type of day. And I still eat my calories for the day, but I focus my meals on breakfast and lunch, and then Sunday night for dinner I have been doing a protein shake or something like that, just because I know I'm weighing in Monday. And I don't want to do that on Sundays. The weekends are my family days. Typically Andres is off. Even if he's not off, I usually have birthday parties or Girl Scout events, some sort of function to go to, and it just would be so much easier to not have to be as meticulous with my counting and with my just tracking in general on a Saturday and a Sunday. So the more I thought about it, and Andres kept telling me this too, he's like, why don't you switch your weigh into Friday And so that way, if you do have like one little cheat thing on Saturday, or you have a birthday party to go to and it's harder to track your calories and different things, you can eat whatever you want, track it as best you can, and then you still have the whole week to make up for it. So I think that's what it is, because Monday through Friday, I am so good about what I'm eating. If I go to the gym, it's typically during the week. I'm so much better at doing it on a weekday than I am over the weekend. And that's not to say it hasn't been working. I've only had one weight gain this entire 10 weeks, one. And that was the week that I transitioned from super low carb keto to a moderate diet. And so because of that, I just kind of feel like maybe that would work for me. So I was going to try it for a few weeks and see how I like it, see if it seems to be better for me than weighing in on Monday. That being said, I am a little bit nervous because I don't want to just indulge and splurge over the weekend and be like, oh, I'll make up for it during the week. Not like, I don't want to do that. So this last week, it was kind of hard because if you watch the Canyon Lake daily vlog over on my vlog channel, I did splurge. We had, so let's see, I weighed in on Monday. I can't remember if I had a cheat meal on Monday or not, because typically I will have one cheat meal on the day that I weigh in, but I can't remember if I had a cheat meal or not on Monday. But I know for sure Tuesday and Wednesday, definitely. Tuesday night, I ate a great breakfast and I had Subway for lunch, which was good, but then dinner came and we had been swimming and all kinds of stuff, and so I did have Sonic, and I didn't choose something healthy at Sonic. I think I had like popcorn chicken and chili cheese tater tots and a slush, so it was pretty bad. And then Thursday we had Mexican food for lunch, and we had an okay breakfast, Mexican food for lunch, and I had a margarita with salt. So the second I have anything like that, like anything super sweet like that or with salt, I retain water like that. I did even when I was bigger. I mean now, and I'm talking mostly alcoholic beverages whenever I do, because I love margaritas. My mouth's watering. Love margaritas with salt. And I will eat all the salt. Not even just salt in my cooking doesn't make me swell, doesn't make me swollen. My rings fit fine. Like I don't have any issues when I'm not having an alcoholic beverage with salt. And actually, I don't even know necessarily that it's the alcohol as much as the salt. Like if I just had a non-alcoholic beverage with extra salt, it would make me swell. So literally I had that for lunch, and by the nighttime I could feel myself retaining the salt. And then the next day, it's kind of like when you eat Chinese, the next day I could barely get my rings off. I was like, dang it, I could feel all the junky stuff that we ate. And then that night, what did we eat that night when we came home? Oh, I had Chick-fil-A and the girls had pizza. So it was just a bad 2 days for sure. So then I woke up Thursday and I weighed, and I was up like 6 or 7 pounds, something like that. So I knew it was nothing but bloating, water weight. I knew that's what it was from literally eating 2 days in a row. Awful. So the week I got right back on it Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. I weighed in this morning again. Oh no, Sunday. So yesterday, Sunday, yeah, I had a super bad stomach bug. So that kind of helped clear things out, if you will, and everything kind of went away. And I think I'm like right around the same amount that I was last Monday, 282 and some change. I don't know if it was 0.4, I'd have to look, but I'm exactly where I was last Monday. So it was nice to be able to indulge for a few days. And I'm pretty sure last Monday I didn't count anything either. So I'm pretty much like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And then it took me like 4 days to recuperate that weight that I had gained while on the mini vacation. So it actually makes me very scared to go to Disney in June and on the cruise in August and to the Dominican Republic in October. And it just makes me realize like I have to make better choices while on vacation, because if I don't, it could be very detrimental to me when I get back. It was like a huge eye-opener. I mean, I realize on vacation, pretty much everybody on vacation gains some sort of weight because you're drinking and you're eating foods that you typically wouldn't eat and whatever. But I did not think after 3 days, 2 to 3 days, I can't even remember, of indulging, that I would gain 5-6 pounds. And I know it has to do with the water weight. I know. So the more weight that I lose, the more worried I am about gaining that weight back on vacation. So I'm just going to, like I said, it was an eye-opener. It's something that I experienced and now I know when I go on vacation. The good thing about Disney, at least it's the first one up, there's going to be so much walking that I'm hoping the things that I choose throughout the day will offset a little bit with the exercise that I'm going to get. Just because, I mean, people say you can walk 15, 20, 30,000 steps a day just at being at Disney. So I'm really hoping that offsets it just a little bit so that I don't have to worry about coming back and gaining 15, 20 pounds because we're going to be there for 12 days. So if I can gain 5 or 6 in 2 to 3, 12 days, I can't even imagine. So yeah, 2 things. That's my goal, is to just pick healthier choices. And even if we eat out, get the grilled chicken sandwich, no bun, or something other than what I was doing, and I was just letting it go and being like, whoo, whatever. But I do have to give myself props, because before, when I would go on a little binger and have a few days of just eating whatever, it would be very difficult for me to hop back on. And I came back Thursday and I got on it like that, like as if nothing had even happened. And so today, let's get to today. I really wasn't, because I had the anticipation of switching my weigh until Friday. I weighed in today just to see if really being sick the last day and a half had any effect on my weight. And of course it did. It dropped me real quick. I know it'll start to level out the next couple of days because I am eating kind of back to normal now. So we'll see how that goes. But I just wanted to pop on here and give you guys an update for last week, and then also let you know that I will start uploading on Fridays. And honestly, I probably won't upload Friday as much as like over the weekend or something, but I will switch my weigh-ins to Friday. So if you're curious why I didn't update my weight or anything, that's why this week we're calling it a flush. And I figured, since I knew I was going to gain weight over the little mini vacation on spring break, I had an extra 5 days to kind of get straight. So now that I'm back to kind of where I was last week, I'm going to start fresh and just continue to eat healthy, make great choices this week, try and get into the gym. I'm going to let my stomach and stuff settle today because I'm still a little queasy, but feeling much better for sure. And then I'll weigh in Friday and update you guys again. So I hope you guys had a fabulous spring break and you made great choices and you weren't like me and went on a binger. We can do this. We have only like 2.5 months until first vacation. And like I said before, that's a short-term thing for me. That's not even my end all be all. You know, I'm gonna lose 30 pounds by that time, but I'm already down 27. The last time I did Weight Loss Wednesday was in 2015. I think I lost like, I want to say it was like maybe 33 to 35, somewhere around there. I'm not much more than I've lost right now, which is awesome. I was a little smaller to start off with, but I'm not far off, which is super exciting. Super exciting. I think if I could incorporate more exercise, I could definitely lose another 15 to 20 pounds before we even leave for Disney, which is amazing. So anyway, like I said, I hope you guys had a fabulous few weeks. I'm sorry that last week was kind of up in the air and I left you guys hanging. I had a great week and I hope you did too. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you Friday, hopefully a little lighter. Bye.